We spend billions of dollars looking for extraterrestrial life. We scan Mars. We listen to distant stars. But what if they are already here? What if they have been watching us from the oceans for millions of years? Look into this eye. This is not a fish. This is not a mammal. This is the cuttlefish. It has 3 hearts. It bleeds blue blood. It has a donut-shaped brain that wraps around its throat and its skin. It is not just skin. It is a biological television screen that can display animations, patterns, and messages faster than you can blink. It doesn't just camouflage, it hypnotizes. It calculates. Scientists call them primates of the sea because of their scary intelligence. But looking at them, you realize if aliens ever land on Earth, they probably won't look like us. They will look like this. Let's strip away the skin and look at the hardware. First, the engine. Humans have 1 heart. The cuttlefish has 3. 2 branchial hearts pump blood to the gills to get oxygen, and 1 systemic heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. If one fails, the others keep working. It is a redundant system designed for survival. And that blood is not red. Our blood is red because it uses iron to carry oxygen. But cuttlefish blood is blue-green. It uses copper. Why copper? Because in the freezing, low-oxygen depths of the ocean, copper works better than iron. They are literally built for a different atmosphere. But the weirdest part is the brain. It is shaped like a donut. And here is the design flaw. The esophagus runs right through the hole in the donut. This means if a cuttlefish eats something too big, the food could physically crush its own brain. It must carefully chop its food into tiny pieces. Every meal is a brain surgery risk. You are looking at the highest definition screen on Earth. The skin of a cuttlefish contains millions of pixel-like cells called chromatophores. Each cell is a sac of pigment attached to tiny muscles. By flexing these muscles, the cuttlefish can expand or shrink the dots instantly. It can change from white to black to red in 200 milliseconds. That is faster than you can blink. But color is easy, texture is hard. The cuttlefish can physically shapeshift its skin. Using muscles called papillae, it can raise spikes, bumps, and ridges to mimic the texture of a rock or coral. 1 second, it is smooth like silk. The next, it is spiky like a cactus. It becomes the environment. Here is the paradox. Studies suggest cuttlefish are colorblind. They only see in shades of green. So how do they match colors perfectly if they can't see them? We still don't know. Maybe they see polarized light. Maybe their skin can see. They are master painters who have never seen their own paint. Camouflage is for hiding, but when it hunts, the cuttlefish turns its screen into a weapon. Watch this. As it approaches a crab, it creates a moving pattern of dark bands rippling down its body. It looks like clouds passing over the moon, or static on a broken TV. Ideally, this acts as hypnosis. The crab stares at the trippy light show, confused, overloaded. Its brain freezes. While the crab is watching the show, it doesn't notice the 2 feeding tentacles slowly extending. Until it's too late. They also use this screen to lie. Male cuttlefish are geniuses of deception. A male can split his body pattern right down the middle. On the left side, facing a female, he displays calm, romantic colors to woo her. On the right side, facing a rival male, He displays aggressive, angry flashes. He is flirting and fighting at the exact same time. Two faces, one brain. Just how smart are they? Recently, scientists gave them the famous Stanford marshmallow test. It tests self-control. You can eat one marshmallow now, or wait 15 minutes and get two. Human children fail this all the time. But the cuttlefish passed. They waited for the better food. They planned for the future. This proves they have a concept of time. They are not just reacting, they are thinking. But nature played a cruel joke on them. With all this intelligence, all this complexity, they only live for 2 years. 2 years. Just as they start to master their powers, their bodies shut down. They breed once, and then they die. Imagine if they lived as long as us. Imagine what they could build, what they could teach us. But maybe that's for the best, because if these aliens lived for 100 years, we probably wouldn't be the ones ruling this planet. Thanks for watching.